Well, we made it in Truckee. Wait, Truckee. We made it in Tahoe. So, just woke up a little bit ago. Not here, but over there off the highway or interstate. I gotta figure out what that is. But I went to go to explore Truckee River. And then all of a sudden, we're in Tahoe. I did not realize Tahoe is this damn close. But yesterday was Sunday, today's Monday. It was so damn busy that it was ridiculous. I literally drove the entire perimeter of Lake Tahoe. From California into Nevada. From Nevada back into California. I'm about maybe 5 miles from where I started. And I finally found a spot where I can unload the yak, maybe walk a few yards to the lake. But we ended up staying there for the night. I'll show you guys later. But welcome to the channel. I'm Paul. That's Ozzie. This is our van. I just got done washing my face, my pretty little face, brushing my pearly whites, my broken tooth, and I think I'm gonna sweep. Yeah, I'm gonna sweep and dust this rug off. Then we're gonna head to the market, grab some ice, because I do not want those veggies getting waterlogged, because we are cooking freaking breakfast burritos today. Probably for lunch, because I'm starving. And we were supposed to do that yesterday, but I did not realize it was gonna take so long to park. But anyways, I'm gonna shut up. We're making breakfast burritos later, so stay tuned with that for that. I need to get iced, and then we're going yakking. Yak-a-doodle-doo. Holy sweet mother of God. Hey, a rock. Little quartz rock. I wonder if there's gold in this. Probably not. What's this? Is it glass? Oh no, it's just shiny rocks. Looks like we got ourselves a little friend. Hi, buddy. Hi. Welcome to my place. All right, ladies and gentlemen. We're locked and loaded. Packing up. Get out there and do some yakking. Water's so blue. Tie this bad boy up. Ozzie's little rope. Ozzie! Ooh. Good boy. I gotta say, guys, you gotta get a kayak, canoe, or a paddleboard. Explore the lakes. They're so beautiful once you're able to, well, not once, but when you can actually explore the lake instead of being stagnant in one spot, it's so amazing. Like, it's a total freaking game changer. We were at the beach, and then we were at the dock. Now we're yakking again. So much fun. Get yourself some toys. You deserve it. That is beautiful. That teal color, the black wake tower. It's freaking sick. Nice cold non-alcoholic beer. Yes, sir. Oh. Oh shit, what the hell? Come on. That doesn't look like geese poop. Maybe it is. This place is 10 times better when you got a toy to roam around on. So cool. Yeah, this is the west side of Tahoe. I noticed, I've been here a few times. Tahoe is not the friendliest when it comes to people staying overnight and vehicles, whether it's a car, a truck, a van, an RV. But the west side, I noticed, has less no overnight parking signs. Last night I was looking at iOverlander, couldn't really find anything, and I just decided to find a spot where I can park that didn't say no overnight parking, and I did, and I stayed just fine. I had no issues. So sometimes you just gotta explore outside the box. Don't use iOverlander sometimes. Sometimes it's good, but sometimes it's good just to risk it. If you get a knock, then you get a knock, and then you move. I'm so glad today's Monday and it's not busy. Last night I was literally heading back to Proser Lake Creek, which was 50 minutes away. So I was heading there. That's when I found this little spot last night. And I'm glad I did. Really. Because this is amazing. All right, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to cook up some breakfast burritos. We got eggs, sausage, bell pepper, onion, mushrooms. Oh, can't forget the hot sauce. Add the sausage links. Let's chop these up. We'll leave some of them intact. All right, now let's add the mushrooms. This is looking stanky. A couple came by and sat right there. I don't like talking to the camera when there's like other people around. I have a hard time filming around other people. But, you know, maybe one day I'll get used to it. But dude, this is looking good. Dude, heck yeah. Bon appetit, frickin' tit. Bon appetit, dude. Alright. Serve us up a plate. Some more of the sausage. Yes, sir. Bon appetit, dude. That's good. A little hot. Figures. Round 2. Oh, shoot. Round 3. Let's go. Damn, that was so good. So glad I have leftovers. I was actually gonna leave tonight, but I'm enjoying how it's not so packed. So we're gonna stay one more night. We'll head home tomorrow. This place is awesome. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos. You know, please like if you are. Trying to hit the road full time with Ozzie. So please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let's do this as a team, a family. Because I appreciate you guys, I really do. And I know I have a low subscriber count. Not many people watch my videos. You know, eventually I'm gonna make my way up there. And it all started with you guys. And you guys know who you are. There's a handful of you who have always been there, who always comment, like. So thank you. And cheers to you. Let's go. Come on, bud. It's time to go yakking. I just made that up. I don't know if that's a real term or not, yakking. But it's easier than saying kayak. But this thing is about to be hot. Not that bad. All right, let's load up. Gotta put you in my little container, watertight container. It also floats. I got the color of that boat. I love when boats are sparkly. So cool. That was fun. It's time to chill now. Relax a little bit, you know? Probably gonna move in a little bit, go find a spot off the highway. Just hang out, watch the water. Maybe go that way more so we can see the sunset. We'll see. Right now, I'm pooped. Ozzie's over there. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, boy? Oh, gremlin? Huh, gremlin? What you doing? It's crazy because I'm just like sitting here and it feels like I'm in the water. Just like well, you know, as you're gonna call it a night. We had a lot of fun today. I appreciate you guys and for joining us. I was supposed to go home yesterday. Changed that to today. Supposed to go home today. I changed that to tomorrow. I don't want to go home. For one, it sucks. And for two, it's still over 100 over there. And it's so nice here. But I'm so glad that I, for one, decided to stay in Tahoe. And two, actually found my way into Tahoe. I was not expecting that at all. I was just driving down the Truckee River and then wound up in Tahoe. So cool. I'm also glad that the 4th of July madness is over, because now it's so much more relaxing and enjoyable. I hope you guys had a good Independence Day, a good 4th, good weekend, good day, whatever day you're watching this on. And I appreciate you guys. Like I said, I love you guys. And thank you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios. Hey, Buttercup.